What? I should wait. He's coming.
During the watch party, and of course, if you're an honor, no live streaming. Please be aware, our celebration.
Pandora. Is that Pandora, Mom?
Once again, as you enter the pier, please go ahead and continue moving all the way down your rows. Please do not stop in the middle. Please continue moving all the way down the length.
In the back seat or in the front, we don't ask questions. And Wild Times Amusement Park, where families wear matching shirts. Thanks to the generous support of Ops Family Farm, today's live watch party is presented in Carrot Vision 3D. Carrots, they're good for your eyes. Ask anybody.
Video lighting during the watch party. Our nocturnal friends, thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stop your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
Zoogether Day! Special live performances from across Zootopia. Unforgettable concert finale from superstar Your host, me, Heidi Howard. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! We'll kick off the show as our Zoogether Day V.I.Z. So hurry up, Carla. Yes? About the slot. Yeah, whatever. Come on. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Responsible, that's totally standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
No,
That
careful.
one.
The flashing
I'm
one.
really bad the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Right for me!
This is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in behind.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Country Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Kozlov!
Kozlov.
Kozlov!
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, Zoogether, strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, go on, grab a leg.
Detectives Hobson while investigating.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Hauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market!
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all better to
The marshes showed up? Why Sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Karen, I'll check the times while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out. Nichols, we need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. See who did this?
Seriously? It's blocked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Hauser?
little rotation!
Time to make like a tree, nigga.
Bart,
What?
let's move on.
Zoogether Day! Another show! It's your Noel program! In the rocket shop, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute!
We're gonna get iced.
It's for you! Donuts do save lives.
I am shocked.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
In pursuit. Zootopia! Let's dance, you bloody animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Go out.
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Happy Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey, want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
If his head has a lot of flies, you should see it.
Wait!
Oh no!
I got it! I know who's behind this! Hey! Grab on! Closer! Beware of
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a tale about connection. Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hello, Bellmother.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Sheep. Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale.
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting at them?
Come join me, VIZ. This serious thing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Joining up this brother, sister, of your calling mine.
We're bouncing toward a better day.
Yes.
Bills intertwined, we raise our hearts and sing.
Oh, really?
On our train of thought, toot-toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
We want what we've got, it's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor.
Predator